Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that developers face while working on Java applications. The issue at hand involves using a resource bundle with a static helper class, which can lead to runtime exceptions if incorrect keys are inserted. This can be quite a headache to deal with, as the errors only surface during runtime and not during compilation or testing. Now, let's explore a solution to this problem that ensures we catch these issues early on. In the provided solution, we focused on avoiding string literals in our code by introducing a new approach. The key idea is to define all resource keys in a single Java file, such as code public static final string app_title equals app title code. By static importing this file into our projects and using these defined constants instead of raw string literals, we can leverage our IDE's autocomplete feature to instantly spot any typos or errors in resource keys. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in catching mistakes before they become runtime exceptions. To wrap it all up, it's crucial to proactively address issues like typos and resource keys to enhance the efficiency of our development process. By leveraging predefined constant values and generating them automatically, we can streamline the way we handle resource bundles and minimize the chances of runtime errors. Remember, a little upfront effort in setting up these mechanisms can save us a lot of time and headaches down the line. And on that note, remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!